fed small fishes, which is I already make the rig, bottom sinker with the small hooks, and three of them, and then this one going to go in the main line for the casting. So it's normally stays like this. We try to avoid the bottom fish. Maybe we can catch yellow or any other thing. So in a second we're gonna go there. For the main line in the beach, I'm always using spider sinker, and then I'm using 3 ways with my hook. So normally, just as I said, I want to try to avoid the bottom fish, so I make my hook smaller than the sinker. So that's it, and I'm going to show you how to do the calamari, how to put them on. If the wind gonna go off, it's going to be much better. I'm here with the friends, so you put this rod over there and you put in another rod there. Everything looks good except just a little bit windy. Let's see how we're gonna go. See, no catch on the sand. If it's on the sand, say goodbye to it. For me, I don't know about you guys. I'm always trying my best to keep my rod and reel on the sand, but sometimes the rod is okay, the bottom of the rod is alright, but the reel no. You have to look after it. What about this nuts? Always making small knots so your line is not gonna slip. Try to leave your drag loose, especially for beach or any other places. As I said earlier, as I said always, keep them loose and try to keep your line as straight as possible. It's gonna give you more chance to catch. When you cast, you need to hold your line like this, so to keep it straight. And then you're gonna leave it like so, and then when you hold down, you just hold it. Because what happens is, when the sinker goes inside, it will dig in the sand. You can take it off and just reel it a little bit, and that's it. I make my squid strap already made it with the tiny line. I don't know what they call that one. So I already made it like this. Setup I already showed you. So what are you gonna do? See, the line stays straight. That's all you do, and you can go have fun, sit, relax, maybe listen to music or chat to boys, to friends, families, whoever you come with. It's going to be dark soon. There was a big boy. One of the boy lost it, and then that's why I came close to my rod. I used to stand next to him, I was just chatting with him. Now I just came here to see what's happening. I think the fish is coming towards me. No, I think I lost it. Yep. I lost it. That was a good bite. See, the whole street is gone. Fish is on. Fish is on. Ah, shovel head. Fish is on. Fish is coming towards me. Come on, bro. What's going on with this place? Another shovel head. Fish is on. Come on. Come on, man. This is making me tired of all night. Only shovel head. What's going on, man? Fish is on. Baby Jewy. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Baby Jewy. Baby Jewy. Unfortunately, it's a small size, so it will be going back. So let's put them back. Fish is on. Fish is coming towards me. Come on. Yes! better size of Jewy. Still small, bro. Still small. Still small, bro. Come on, man. Just hold it there. Come on, man. 61.5. Unfortunately, you're gonna go back into the water too. Come on, man. Give me the bigger one. Come on, bro.